Hi guys, we're having a picnic at the beach. Denise is having fun in there, and I think the rain is coming. Why? Ah, we call it fossil.
Mom, just help me get it out.
Allah, you cannot. Oy,
How?
you have to break that to get that. So Denise found this.
I was the first person to find this.
It's a fossil, not fossil. Fossil?
Yeah.
You know what is fossil? Dad,
Yeah, I know
there's a
what-
big shell in there that it's a fossil. You cannot. It's showing. You have to break it. You'll see it. You'll have a fun
because
to get it.
I was the first one who found this fossil thing.
You'll have fun. Anyway, so the sun is a bit hiding today. So this is the view here sa dagat nila. This is their dagat here in Praia da Ruca. So some guys, some are going away because I think the rain is coming soon. So nice. And then it's like a cave in here. Yeah, it's really cold. Dili madalag tiis ganda. I cannot take it. Tiis ganda, no. So here you can go in here underneath. So cool. Wow, look at that.
Well, let me show you the water then.
Wow.
It's right next door. Come on.
So nice in here. Wait, sa I'm gonna show them the water kaya it's clearer here. Wow. Dali. It's pity there's no sun. It's pity no sun. No sun, no sun.
I have to go back now. I can't shoot.
Amazing. So if you go the other side, so it's like, look. Dali-dali na yung pagka-video ha, kay maulan na. And then, if you go the other side, there is water bit there.
Okay?
Smile, Denise, be.
So this is.
Smile, Denise. 1, 2, 3, tada! Go, go.
Let me show you. So there's somewhere here. Follow it.
Go, 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 go.
There's somewhere here.
Wow.
And then that says
Keep going.
from the sea.
Going that way. So we are under here. No.
I'm standing on the water. Feels so cool.
Nako sa ilalong. And then when I go out, that's it. And si David nara diha. Hello, eh. Ngit-ngit naman, oy. So Denise is playing in the. Hala, may water na. Di madalag tiis ganda, guys. Pa-picture na jud ko ani karon maka-swimsuit di makaya pertig yung tugnawa eh. Ah, so cold. Be? Oh my gosh. Di madalag tiis ganda. Sila nangaligo gihapon. Dato kay siya umura siya guan. Dinis ko. And then building. I hope it won't rain para ma-enjoy pa. Uy, naon swimsuit. Sana all. Tada! Nice kaayo. Si Dinis. Si Dinis nagdula-dula din na. Look at that.
Are you getting it? It's literally, I was the first one
Nice that,
to
no?
find
It's a
this
shell.
perfect fossil.
It's a shell, that's all.
Really? But it's been in the...
I've been trapped. This is a shell. Oh, this is shells.
Okay, everybody smile. Come on, Dinis. Dad. Everybody smile. Daddy. 1, 2, 3. Tada! Video bitaw na dad eh.
Bob, guess what?
Video.
This is going to look if I act.
Dinis, can you? Daddy, dali na. Honey, hold
I
lang.
can't.
Hold lang like that.
I'm holding that. Here it goes.
Paita. Lisod gid kayo lagi nga mag vlog nga kwan. Di mo supportive imong pamilya. Di supportive. So magamit ko og kuan stick selfie stick. Kay mag-video ko. Pasayaw na ko si David. Itong ipasayaw si David. Okay? So, matumba na yun sa hangin. Sorry. Impossible. Impossible kay ano. Lapit na mag 8 minutes. So you think it's only shell? But I thought,
What? It's a shell. Never seen a shell like that before.
yeah, but it's in there. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but Mum, you know something? They can show you shells all over here. Small ones, broken ones. See all this? What's all that? Shells. Bits of shell.
Ah, there's so many shells there, I know.
But I want to.
No. And then you will sing pearly shell from the ocean, smiling in the sun, covering the shore. Paita. Biyak may butang dito, testingan ako kung pwede ba. From the ocean, shining in the sun, covering the shore. Panawang tao. Kaingong nasugdan man yung bihana. Wala di ay. Thank you for watching.